The Robam, the FOTILE, or Hauslane? Perhaps the ZLINE or the COSMO COS? Which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 range hoods available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best range hoods. The 5th product on this list is the Hauslane PS38 Pro. This unit is designed to filter out smoke, pollutants, and unwanted odors that come from your cooking process. If you own a restaurant or carry out heavy-duty cooking in your home, this product may be your best bet because it is packed with features that make it functional and easy to use. We first noticed the stainless steel body and LED display panel, which is incredibly easy to clean, especially with the included microfiber cloth. With it, you can remove every mark of grease and finger smudge. Installing it also isn't a hassle as the package comes with all the parts required for installation. This includes a 6-inch circular adapter, aluminum tape to hold the stainless panel, and the instruction manual with detailed steps to follow. Function-wise, this cabinet range hood features a perimeter suction design that captures the smoke from your burners into the suction fans, so that it doesn't stick to lights or the cabinets. This means that it draws in the smoke from the sides around the panel into the suction motor. The dual motor fans are also powerful enough to remove all scents, leaving the kitchen area with fresh air rather than smelling like smoke or overwhelming food aromas. Whether you cook during the day or at night, the energy-efficient LED lights will keep your cooking space bright, and because they are easy to find in your hardware store, you can change them into any color you like. Furthermore, we particularly liked that it is easy to maintain this range hood thanks to the steam clean function that dissolves solidified grease on the motor so that it remains efficient. Its pros are: the dual fan motors have the strong suction power, its steam clean function makes the range hood easy to keep in tip-top condition, and the buttonless LED panel is easy to use and clean. However, it makes humming sounds even at low levels. The Hauslane PS38 Pro is ideal for home chefs who want a practical range hood that can suction out the smoke while cooking. Up next in 4th place is the COSMO COS QS48. Ventilation in the kitchen is a big deal because smoke and strong odors can linger in the space for hours. It may even get to the point where the excess smoke triggers your fire alarm, all for nothing. And that is why you should consider investing in a range hood like the COSMO COS QS48. Unlike the previous product we discussed, this range hood is designed for average to small kitchens because it moves over 500 cubic feet of air per minute, effortlessly, removing the pollutants from your kitchen. This unit is mountable under your cabinet, right above your burner, so all smoke, grease, and odors from your cooking processes are suctioned through the stainless steel vents into the dual centrifuge motors. The stainless steel housing of this range hood makes it easy to clean and is durable enough to protect all the components inside, since it is designed to withstand high temperatures. Moreover, you can remove the permanent filters and wash them in your dishwasher. Additionally, this range hood has a sleek design and modern features, including a backlit LCD touchscreen and remote control. With this, you can change the fan speed, program an auto shut-off timer, turn on and off the LED lights, and operate other functions. Lastly, although this unit comes with a duct, you can convert it to ductless with the optional carbon filter kit purchase, making it a suitable option for any kitchen. Its pros are: its energy-efficient LEDs provide high visibility when cooking, the removable filters are dishwasher safe, and it comes with a handy remote control. However, the installation instructions are tricky to follow. The COSMO COS QS48 is recommended for those who want a powerful range hood to keep their kitchen air clean and smoke-free. Still haven't found a range hood that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the ZLINE KB48. This unit has a different design from the others we talked about so far because it is wall-mounted just above your cooking range. But like the others, it has a stainless steel body that is corrosion-resistant and complements any modern kitchen decor while being easy to maintain. This unit stands out amongst its counterparts because it is designed for both indoor and outdoor use and is capable of withstanding the elements. Moreover, it is highly functional because it collects grease from the smoke and deposits it into a baffle channel with 3-layer aluminum filters that are dishwasher safe. Not only does the fan operate at a low speed, but it also comes with a lifetime of warranty. And because the range hood has a 48-inch size, it isn't limited to any particular kind of home burner. What's more, though this product may not have an LCD screen like others on this list, the mechanical buttons are reliable and straightforward to use. With them, you can control the fan speed, set a timer with auto shutoff, and control the two 25-watt halogen lights. If you'd prefer a ductless range hood, you can convert this product to one by adding the optional activated charcoal filters. Furthermore, your ceiling height won't be a problem when installing this unit, because it comes with 2 adjustable chimney pieces for ceilings 8 to 9 feet tall. And if your ceiling is lower or higher than these sizes, you can buy shorter pieces or extensions. All in all, this unit is a great standalone option for any busy kitchen. Its pros are: the stainless steel finish is resistant to corrosion, its chimney kits make it easy to adjust according to your ceiling height, and it works quietly, functioning at less than 40 decibels. However, the halogen lights don't seem to last very long. The ZLINE KB48 is a high-grade range hood suitable for any kitchen space. The second product on this list is the Robam A671. This next unit has a sleek design that puts it a step ahead of its counterparts. In comparison with the other range hoods we discussed, this unit has a glass housing that complements modern kitchen decor and makes for easy maintenance. And even though it isn't as wide as the others on this list, the 32-inch length will work with most home burners. We particularly like that this product has 2 mounting styles, under cabinet and wall mount. This broadens your installation options and doesn't limit its use to any kitchen style. Moreover, while some on this list had touchscreen options, mechanical control buttons, or came with remote controls, this unit is equipped with infrared technology that responds when you wave your hand over it. This function allows you to operate it without touching the surface of the range hood. It's a pretty intuitive function. Just wave your hand over the surface to turn the range hood on, hover it the second time to activate turbo mode and increase the suction power, and wave twice again to turn it off. Then, the strong food odors, grease, and smoke from your cooking will be sucked up through the side suction panel as the single motor rotates. Furthermore, every pollutant passes through the filtering screen, which traps any vaporized oil, so that the inside of the hood does not become greasy. At the end of the day, you can remove the filters and clean them in your dishwasher. Lastly, this product comes with a 5-year warranty for the parts and a lifetime warranty for the motor, so you know this is something you can rely on day after day. Its pros are: it has versatile installation options to fit under the cabinet or mount on the wall, you can operate it without ever touching the surface, and the LED lights are energy efficient. However, installation can be a bit tricky as it is quite involved. The Robam A671 is a beautiful looking range hood ideal for home chefs who want to add a more modern upgrade to their kitchen. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top range hood is the FOTILE Modern Kitchen. This is one smart range hood we can't turn away from, because every function and feature is easy and convenient to use. Plus, it provides powerful suction with its dual motors that boast a 540 Pascal pressure unit that increases the extraction rate by 30%, which is more than what its counterparts offer. Whether you mount this range hood under your cabinet or on the wall, its advanced side draft filtration design will still remove fumes and odors effectively from your kitchen and enhance airflow. What we liked more was the dual control system that allows you to turn on or off this kitchen range hood and the LED lights with the wave of your hand, while the touchscreen allows you to adjust the airflow speeds. In addition, it provides the ultimate solution to smoke-free cooking with its quick stir-fry mode function. And any grease in the smoke gets trapped in the oil filter and drips into the grease tray. Both the oil filter and drip tray are removable, and the latter is dishwasher safe. It is also impressive that this unit can sense smoke in your kitchen, even when you're done cooking, and as such, it will stay on to remove the residual smoke and then turn off automatically when finished. What's more, since it is constructed from stainless steel and tempered glass, maintaining it is easy. Just use a cloth with detergent to wipe over the surface of the range hood. Overall, we think this is the most comprehensively designed range hood on the market today. Its pros are: It has a removable and washable grease tray and filters. It uses a motion sensor and touchscreen controls. The surface is easy to clean, and the 4 fan speeds can reach a top rate of 600 cubic feet of air per minute. However, the LEDs seem to burn out fairly quickly. Thankfully, they are easy to replace. The FOTILE Modern Kitchen Range Hood is an incredibly well-designed unit for keeping your kitchen clear of smoke. It is recommended for anyone who wants a balance of style, effectiveness, and versatile control options. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.